I say this repeatedly that this gesture is marvelous in our eyes. It is a gesture that is real. His Excellency Peter Obi is not the only presidential candidate in Nigeria, but we see him as the only candidate who cares about the plight of IDPs, not only in Benue State. I am aware that he has visited the IDPs in other states, you know. And so because of that, he has caught our attention. As humanitarians, we feel that his approach to governance is God-centered. And it's because of that that some of us are praying for him and are hoping that when he becomes president, he will be able to address a lot of our concerns and issues that are confronting us in Nigeria today. Thank you all.
I feel very bad, very, very bad. At least I thought that maybe the 6th year or the 5th year, my 5th year in the camp, God will help me to be out in my own village. But I am not in my, it's unfortunate that I'm not in my own village. I pray that this Peter Obi that came, I pray that God should help me to govern us so that this situation will calm down.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.